Hello everyone. In this video we are going to look at some of the most important multiple choice questions in the Java subject. First question, which keyword is related to the concept of inheritance? So all of us know the answer is extends. So what is the syntax of inheritance? Suppose take one class, class B extends A. So here the keyword we are using is extends. Next one, which keyword is used to call superclass constructor? The answer is super keyword. Okay. Next question, which keyword is used to implement an interface? The answer is implements. For example, if you have interface I1 and I have an implementation class, for example class A. In order to implement this interface I1, I have to use the keyword implements. So I have to write here implements interface I1. So the keyword I am using here is implements. Next question, which keyword is used to import any package in Java? Very simple question. The answer is import. Example, in the beginning of the programs we used to write a statement like this: import java.language.star. So here I am importing the package java.language. So the answer is import. Next question, the concept of writing a method in a subclass that has the same name and a type signature as a method in its superclass. This process is called as method overriding. Method overriding. For example, see here we have a superclass called A and a subclass called B. In superclass we have a method called M1 and it is having some body here, some implementation. Okay, and because of this inheritance, this M1 will come to class B, right? But this class B don't want this code, it want some other code. So what B will do is it will override that. That means it is going to write its own code. That is called as B's implementation. B's implementation. So this process is called as method overriding. Method overriding. Okay. Next one, a class which contains at least one abstract method is called as an abstract class. Abstract class. Next one, an interface contains one abstract method, two abstract methods, all abstract methods, none. The answer is all abstract methods. So interface will contain all abstract methods. None of the method will have the body. Okay. Next question, dash is a mechanism by which a call to an overridden method is resolved at runtime. The answer is dynamic method dispatch. Next one, which of the following is the use of final keyword? First option, it is used to create constants, it can prevent overriding, it can prevent inheritance. Option D is all. The answer is all. Next one, which member can be used only inside a class? The answer is private. The private members can be used only within that class. You cannot access them outside of that. Okay.